take these four issues into consideration whilst using others' content. If you are considering using copyrighted material under fair use, then it is wise to consult legal legal resources, or you can also seek permission from the copyright holder to avoid potential issues. That means potential copyright strike issues. So please, my friends, please let me know if you would like to help finding specific examples or related resources. Please don't forget to give me thumbs up to this live stream, drop a comment below my videos, and let me know at what issues should I make clarification to you. Thank you, my friends. Thank you. By now, my friends, let us discuss on how does fair use apply on social media contents like that of the YouTube, Facebook, Instagram, or any other social media platforms. Let us discuss over it. Fair use applies on social media contents in much the same way as it does on other types of contents, but it comes with unique challenge due to the nature and dynamics of social platforms. So here's a detailed overview of how fair use can be relevant to the social media platforms. Let us discuss about that just by raising an examples of fair use on social media. Example 1, commentary or criticisms, which is possible. So sharing snippets, that is snippets of copyrighted materials like that of videos, images, articles, or any other material to provide commentary or criticism can often be considered as fair use. Let's say, for example, discussing a TV show or a movie just by showing brief clips or screenshots. It can be considered as fair use. It can be considered as a fair use. The other example is education or news reporting. If you are creating educational posts or reporting news or using short segments or excerpts may qualify. For instance, quoting parts of a study for an informative thread is really possible, and it can fall under fair use. Unique challenges on social media, however, do persist. They do persist. The first one is algorithm and automated systems. Social media platforms can often use automated systems to detect copyrighted materials, such as images or music, and enforce copyright claims. These systems may not always distinguish fair use cases, leading to flagged posts or just remove your content. They will automatically remove your content. So you have to take care of that. You have to take care of that, my friends. Thank you, anyways. Really, you are very much supportive friends. So, my friends, let me give you another example. The second example that I'm going to give you a unique challenge on social media about the fair use is shorts and viral content. Really, social media thrives on brief, eye-catching posts. Really, often memes, clips, or borrowed visuals. While some uses could fall under fair use, the line between creative reuse and copyright infringement can really blur. However, you are expected to be much more sensitive on these issues.